double-blind testing, which is what I'm going to explain now. In double-blind testing, you have two groups of people. Both of them have the disease that the drug will be used to treat. However, only one group is going to get the drug. The other group is going to get a placebo. A placebo, but it looks like the drug, contains no drug at all, and it contains nothing, whereas the drug will or should treat the illness. So remember, firstly, one group only is given the drug. The doctor or the patient do not know. That is why it's called a double-blind trial. Neither patient nor doctor knows if they are giving or receiving the drug. One group is given the placebo, and the doctors and the patients do not know if they are giving or receiving the placebo. This is to overcome the placebo effect. This is to see the actual difference the drugs make, because the placebo effect might make someone feel better even though they have not taken the drug. This is a psychological effect. If after the trials it is seen that the patients don't get better but they've taken the placebo, that is expected and that is a normal outcome. However, if the patients don't get better and it's found out they took the drug, then the drug must go back to preclinical trials. However, did the patients get better? Did they recover from the illness? If the answer is yes, and it's found out they took the drug, that means the drug can then go on to be licensed and prescribed to patients with that illness around the world. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Visit KayScience.com to watch videos on other topics, to do practice question worksheets and multiple choice quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.